Okay, now in this subject, I am going to talk about how to create powerful done for you funnels. Okay, so when you're creating affiliate funnels, so let's say memo. Okay, so when you're creating affiliate funnels, what you have to do is you have to have three components. You have to have these components. You have
Opera.
to have an opt-in page, right? Then you have to have a pre-sell page, and you have to have um,
Oh,
a bonus page,
yeah,
okay?
thank you, kids.
And then you have to have a thank you page, and then you must have you must have bonuses to give away, right? To
Yeah,
give away to the customers,
like ebook,
right? When you give
ebook or
bonuses to
download,
the customers like to buy from you. Sorry?
like an ebook.
Like an ebook or whatever, right? But creating those bonuses, do you think it's easy? Do you think it's easy? It's
It's not an easy.
easy to create lead magnets.
Outsource. You can outsource.
You can outsource, right? Outsource. So that means every time you are creating a lead magnet, you have to spend money, right?
Yeah.
Right? To create a lead magnet. And every time you have to create a new lead magnet for a new affiliate product, right? Now
Yes.
imagine if I could show you a software that could create all of the above content for you in less than 30 minutes. When I say all of the above content, opt-in page ready, pre-sale page ready, bonus page ready, thank you page ready. And this is not just it. Imagine, imagine if this software can provide you hundreds of bonuses to give away as a lead magnet. And imagine if you could do all of this stuff in less than 30 minutes without any help, without any human help, or without outsourcing. Now this is like, this sounds too good to be true, right? Are you following?
Right.
are,
Right.
are you following? Now let me show this to you in real time. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this stopwatch here. Okay, start this stopwatch, and we are using this software to create affiliate funnels. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click done for you affiliate funnels here. You can also create done for you webinars, done for you premium funnels, but for now we're just going to focus on done for you affiliate funnels. Now let's click create new done for you funnel. And I'm going to write, say here, second DFY funnel, okay? Funnel, and I'm going to click load opt-in page, and I'm going to select one of the opt-in pages from here, okay? So let's say I'll go with a opt-in page video dashboard. Okay, let's wait for this to open up. More opt-in pages are opening up here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this funnel. You see video dashboard,
Yeah.
right? So this software has been launched by Paul Pona, and some of the big marketers are promoting this software, okay?
Just wait. I'm going to the restroom.
Sure. Okay, so we're going to choose this product for now, okay, to create the complete affiliate funnel. Okay, now these are real-time affiliate funnels from JVZoo Warrior Plus. Okay, these are real products. So I'll just choose this particular funnel opt-in page. Now this has been populated. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is basically the stopwatch is already running here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save, okay, for once, and then I will go to the affiliate page content here, and then I'm going to click load affiliate page template. Okay, and I will simply scroll here, and I'm going to select the video dashboard, um, the same video dashboard affiliate page template. So it's opening up here. Okay, let's wait for this to open up. Okay, you see this? World-class social automation technology to attract more customers to grow. I'm going to select this particular part. Now this is about the same product, that is the video dashboard. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
a game changer, the all-in-one dashboard to research, create, and publish to 11 best social platforms, including TikTok, Medium, Reddit. Right now, the next step that I'm going to take is I'm going to select thank you page content. Okay, thank you page content. I'm going to select load thank you page template. Okay, load thank you page template, and
it's 4 o'clock.
I'll scroll down and select this world-class social automation technology, right? And
Right.
I'm going to select this one as thank you page. Thank you for claiming the download. Okay. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings. Okay, affiliate link URL. You see affiliate link URL is missing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select pick some here, and I'm going to select the video dashboard from here. Let's just scroll down, and as soon as I select the video dashboard, so let's see. There you go. This is video dashboard. As soon as I select this, it will open up the JVZoo link, right? So the only thing that I need is approval for that link, right? So for now, I'm approved for this particular link. I'll click right. I'll just click this. Okay. I'll just click this, and this is my link. I'll copy this link, and I will simply put it here. You see this? Are you following? Hi, are you still there? Are you following? And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to mailing boss here. Okay. Are you following? Are you still there?
Yes.
And I'm going to go to mailing boss here. Okay. And I'm going to quickly create a list in mailing boss. So click lists. I'm going to click lists. And then this is my autoresponder. So if you don't have it, you can get a free trial for this particular builder, a 14 days trial for mailing boss. If you don't have it, let's say if you're watching this as a replay, and I'll click create new list, and click list. So let's say test VD, right? VD is the video dashboard. This is a test list webinar on creating your affiliate, creating your done for you affiliate funnels in less than 30 minutes and click next. And then I'm going to select first name here and pretty much give this as one, click save changes. And then I'll click forms. Okay, you see this forms? Then I'm going to copy this form code, go to the video dashboard. I'm going to paste that form code here. You see that? Are you following?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm going to go to affiliate video. I can upload videos here if I like. So and I can upload my own videos. Don't want to make the process complicated. Then I'm going to go to bonus products. Now this is the most amazing part. We talked about lead magnet here, right? When I ask you this question, in order to make a lead magnet, how exactly you will get a lead magnet? You said we have to outsource it, right? On Fiverr or whatever, right? So let's say if you outsource a lead magnet, how much it would cost you from this outsourcer, from the freelancer? How much would he charge you for creating maybe 4 lead?
$5 to $20.
$5 to $20, right? He might, and you have to, every time you need a lead magnet, he's going to charge you $20, up to $20, right?
Right.
Now check this out. Here are the bonuses. Now you can select these bonuses in real time. So let's say I want to give this bonus, webinar conversions blueprint, and I can change the price of this as 97. So he would see that he's getting a bonus for $97 worth of bonus. I'll select this bonus. I'll select 4 bonuses.
How much?
I just changed the price to 97. So he will see that he's getting a $97 product as a bonus for free if he buys video dashboard from my link.
Wow.
Make sense? Right? Now video product blueprint, right? I'll select this as well. And I'll say this, let's say this costs like 67, right? 67. I can decide the prices as well, right? So I will select 4 softwares for now. And let's say another software then select is create giveaway and squeeze page, 120 social media profit tips. So there are tons of softwares here, right? And I'll select 2 more. The basic survival guide, let's say powerful, and the 6 paid underground traffic sources. Top 6 paid underground traffic source. I'll select this and I'll say again 90. I'll say 197, right? And then Instagram for entrepreneurs, right? And I'll say this as 47, let's say. Okay, and select this. So I selected 4 bonuses here. I'm going to come down, okay? And that's pretty much it. I just selected 4 bonuses, okay? 4 bonuses, and that's pretty much it. Then I'll go to custom shortcodes. I'll select product shortcodes here, and I'll select all of this content from here, okay? And I'll go back to opt-in page content here. I'm going to add that shortcode here, okay? No technical stuff, just copy paste, okay? And what I'm going to do is I am going to click save. Boom. Now, as soon as I click save, now before we go off, let's just go to the stopwatch. It's been 12 minutes, okay? It's been 12 minutes, right? The funnel has been created. Now, if I just preview this funnel, okay? If I just preview my first opt-in page, I'll just preview this funnel. You see, social, world-class social automation technology to attract more customers and grow your business. Now, this is being hosted on our own, on their on the software platform. And if you see video product blueprint as bonus, right? Claim this bonus today and save $44 than the price we added. You see that? Again, white label profit plan. Claim this bonus today and save $28 and than price we added. You see that? Again, 7 infamous resale rights. Claim this bonus today and it's 40 video teaser blueprint, YouTube video mastery, right? So we added these bonuses, right? And as soon as the person basically, let's say, puts his first name and last name. So I'll go to temporary email here, and I'll copy this temporary email, and I'll put this email here, right? And I'll say Waitrek Gusto, and I'll click subscribe. And as soon as I click subscribe, the person will be taken to the thank you page. You see that? World-class social automation. You see that? Awesome. So how are you feeling? Like, we just created this funnel. You see that? Welcome to video dashboard and all of this stuff, right? Do you think this looks awesome?
Awesome.
Now, as soon as the person clicks claim bonuses, okay, he will simply select claim bonuses, and then welcome to video dashboard, a complete 360-degree stuff, right? Video dashboard is more than this, right? Pretty much. And then as soon as he makes a purchase from this, he will be able to access the delivery. You see download page URL, you see this? So as soon as he makes the purchase, he will get the bonuses delivered. Thank you for claiming your download. After he makes his purchase, he will automatically be taken to the bonuses where he can download these bonuses from there. Are you following?
Yes.
You see bonus for a white label profit plan, right? And there are tons of bonuses inside their system. And I've just shown you the done for you affiliate funnel. There are done for you premium funnels, done for you bonus funnels. There's a lot of stuff inside this. Okay. So this is one premium software. Now, apart from this, you see, please confirm your subscription. I also got a lead, right? So you will also be able to collect lists and leads in your mailing box. Make sense?
Makes sense.
So this is where we finish this subject on this particular software. Now, now what I'm going to do next is, please allow me 90 seconds before I start speaking again.